If you have not done so, please complete the attendance form. Here's the link and the QR code, and the link will also be in the chat on Zoom. We'll move on to approve our last meeting's minutes. Our last General Assembly meeting was held on July 5th, 2022. We will approve the meetings at this time. We need one person to motion to approve the meetings by saying, I move to approve last minute's meetings.
I move to approve last minute meetings.
Thank you. We need another person to second the motion for us to approve the minutes meetings by saying, I second that motion.
I second that motion.
Thank you. Our sponsored speaker today is Juliana Espinoza, Student Success Librarian. If you would like to sponsor or speak at a future meeting, please complete the following Get Involved form. The link is here as well as the QR code, and I believe the link will also be in the chat on Zoom. I would like to welcome Juliana Espinoza, Student Success Librarian.
That is too kind. I'm going to time myself because nobody wants anyone to run over. Is it okay if I take my mask so you can hear me a little bit better? Okay, great. Okay, everyone can hear me all right? Perfect. Yes. Hello, everyone. How are you doing? Good afternoon. Thanks. My name is Juliana, and I'm the new Student Success Librarian. Thank you so much for inviting the UHCL libraries to sponsor today's meeting, and as well as allowing me to share some updates, some upcoming events, and opportunities. So for those of you who may or may not know, the Newman Library underwent a huge one-year renovation project. So our entire main floor is completely redone and now open to students, faculty, and staff. That's in the Bayou building on the second floor. So if you have not already stopped by, please come by and check out our cozy nooks, which is the photo on the bottom left, updated study rooms, as well as new furniture for your individual and group project needs. A perfect time to visit might be this grand reopening event. We are inviting everyone to join the celebration and welcoming students, faculty, and staff to your new library. We're going to have some fun activities and some giveaways on that day. So we hope to see you all there on Wednesday, October 5th from 1 to 3:30. So one thing I wanted to make sure that we cover for today is particularly student leadership opportunity that I would invite you to consider. So for the 2022-2023 academic year, the UHCL Libraries is looking for a student representative to serve on the Library Advisory Council. So the student representative, if you're interested in like, what does this actually mean or what does it entail in terms of a commitment, you would need to be available to attend the regularly scheduled meetings, which is, from my understanding, 1 to 2 times a semester. You would also be encouraged to voice any concerns or any messages that student government has, or maybe any other students that may be voiced to you, so you would serve as that representative. And then also asked to share back any important notes from that meeting to whatever group that you're affiliated with. So if you're interested in applying for this leadership opportunity, please feel free to contact me, and then I can send an introductory email to you and the Library Advisory Committee Chair. Some of you may know who this person is. It's Professor Sheila Baker. I put in the snap packs that you all grabbed for today, I put my business card. So if you are interested, please feel free to contact me using that business card. And then this upcoming fall semester, the UHCL Library plans to hold our really popular Study Pause event. This is a de-stressor event around midterms and finals in which we bring in therapy dogs on 2 days. And you can basically just come hang out in the library and play with puppies and dogs. It's one of our most popular attended events, so we really encourage you to take a break from studying and come hang out in the library with the puppies. We haven't quite finalized exact dates and times, I apologize, but I will definitely be posting this on our social media channels as well as flyers around campus, so please stay tuned. And then lastly, I want to remind everyone that the library has lots of helpful resources, services, and spaces. We are here to help you succeed here at UHCL. I know that you have a really busy fall semester coming up soon. So I just wanted to leave you with one tip on how to get started if you want to get started on a good foot for fall. So oftentimes, a lot of students share with me that they don't know where to get started on a class assignment or research paper. So one really great place is this OneSearch, which is on our library's homepage. And OneSearch is essentially an online tool that you can use to look for any information on all of our research databases, collections, and more. So it basically, think of it as the Google for the library. So that's a really great place to get started. And then one of our most valuable services that you have as students are connecting to academic librarians like myself. So again, we know you have really busy lives and you're adjusting to a new fall semester schedule. So we try to offer a lot of ways where you can get in touch with a librarian. So we are here to help you if you have a quick question or even an in-depth question. And you can contact us via virtual chat, text message, email, phone, in person, by appointment. So we hope that there's some way that you can get a hold of us if you have help or anything for your research needs. So thank you so much for your time today. I think I'm right at 4 minutes. Happy to answer any questions. I'm not sure if there's an open forum for that, but you are also welcome to contact me. For those on Zoom, I'm sorry that you're missing out on the snack packs, but I hope to see you at our grand reopening event, and same to everyone in the room. So thank you so much.
So much, Juliana, and thank you to the Newman Library. All right, for fund requests, our current allocation balance is $21,356.89. Currently, no fund requests have been submitted for today's meeting. If you would like to submit a fund request, please visit our Get Involved form titled 2022 through 2023 Student Government Student Org Fund Request. The link is here as well as the QR code, and I believe the link will be in the chat on Zoom. If you have any questions, please email us at sga@uhcl.edu. For new business, I would like to welcome Isabella Cardona, Vice President, Committee Coordinator.
Thank you and welcome everyone back to our meeting. I would like to announce that Joe Contreras has been elected as our new SG president. So please give him a round of applause. And we also would like to announce that Erica Werner has been appointed as our Director of External Affairs. And, I would like to welcome back our President, Joe Contreras.
For old business, I would like to announce Alexis Sarapoli was elected our new 2022 through 23 Director for Special Events. So congratulations, Alexis. For Executive Council reports, I would like to thank everybody for electing me as Student Body President. I would also like to mention that Nancy and Jessica do not have any Executive Council reports at this time, and I would like to welcome back Vice President Committee Coordinator Isabella Cardona.
Thank you, Joe. I would like to start off by mentioning that we do still have direct open positions for directors. So if you're interested in being an internal affairs, treasury, public relations, or technology director, please feel free to apply, and you can do so by going to our Get Involved page and fill out the form. We also have a lot of committee positions open. And all the ones in black do get appointed in by the Executive Council. And I would like to point out that the shared governance committees for University Life and Planning and Budgeting committees get elected in. So if you could please apply by the August 17th at noon, that would be great, because the presentations are going to be starting, will be on August 23rd, so on our next General Assembly meeting. And if you're also interested in joining the Senate, the presentations for those will also be on August 23rd or on our next General Assembly meeting. And also please do apply by the 17th as well. So if you are interested in joining the directors, committees, or senates, you can do so by clicking the link provided or scanning the QR code here. Thank you so much, and I would like to welcome back Joe.
Thank you, Isabella. There are no Senate meetings at this time, and we will commence our Senate meetings in September 2022. For committee reports, there are no committee reports to report at this time. For student organization announcement, I would like to welcome Felicia Lehman from the Campus Activities Board.
Good morning, Hawks. Great to see everyone today. Current open positions for the Campus Activity Board include the brand coordinator position. If you would like to apply for this position, please see their Get Involved page. Chill with Hunter the Hawk on Thursday, August 25th from 12:30 to 1:30 in the SSCB lobby. Please come out and share a snow cone with new and old friends. Thank you.
I would like to welcome Claudia from the Hawk Spirit and Traditions Council.
Hello, I'm Claudia. I'm the Vice President of HSTC. And so right now we have an open position for the communications coordinator. So if anybody would like to apply, we have the QR code here. And we also have, if anybody wants to become members and volunteer and help us out for events and anything like that, we have positions open as well with the QR code. And we also have Welcome Week coming up this month, and we also are going to have Blue and Green Wednesdays. We just have some future events coming up in September and all of that, but we will communicate more with all of our events and dates.
Very much. For our general announcements, I would like to welcome back Felicia Lehman from the Office of Student Involvement and Leadership.
So pleased to see you all again. Okay, students, it's time to register your student organization. What do we need from you? We need you to update your constitution and your honor cords. We need for your primary and secondary officers to please complete Blackboard. And the final step is to complete your Get Involved registration form. Once these steps are completed, you will receive an email confirming that your organization is confirmed for the upcoming school year. Weeks of Welcome 2022. Who's excited out there? Can I see a show of hands? Amazing for those of you on Zoom. The crowd is going crazy. Welcome tables will be available Tuesday through Thursday, August 23rd through 25th to welcome new and returning students. Students will be in the Bayou, Delta, SSC, and SACB lobby at 8:30, 12:30, and 3:30 for hour increments of time. Next up is our Space Bash. It's going to be on Tuesday, August 30th from 2 to 5 in the Campus Recs and Campus Rec. Okay, I have a special guest in the audience today. Come on, Anna Martinez. The Leadership Workshop Series will be taking place all semester, both in person and virtually. The first presentation is how to recruit new members for your student organization. This event will take place on August 31st at 12 o'clock in SoCal.
We are excited for you to learn more about our recruiting members for your organization and increase the involvement of your members. In this workshop, you will learn a series of skills to help your organization recruit students, have active members, define your organization brand, and much more. If you have any questions about the workshop, please email us at studentorgs@uhco.edu.
Thank you so much for that amazing information. We really look forward to seeing you guys, and it is our goal to help you grow your student organization. So come out and visit with us. Student Involvement Expo. It's time to embark on an extraordinary experience to recruit. This event will take place on Thursday, September 1st from 4 to 7 p.m. in Bayou Atrium 2. Heart of a Hawk. How many of you participated in Heart of a Hawk last year? Can I see a show of hands? Amazing. And I also see Bessos in the audience. They were our reigning champs last year. Congratulations to Bessos. This year, Heart of a Hawk will take place over the entire course of the school year. We will have 4 separate categories. Registered student organizations can sign up today on Get Involved. We will have events and activities for recruitment events, leadership events, spirit and tradition events, and community engagement events. As you will see on here, there is a list of full events that will take place during the fall semester and events which will take place during the spring semester. More information will be shared as the semester progresses. We hope to see all of our student organizations participate, but your participation is voluntary. Thank you.
So much, Felicia. We have now arrived at our open forum section. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the chat on Zoom. If you have any questions on Zoom, if you have any in person, you can ask them now. You can also submit questions on Get Involved using the link here and the QR code. Is there any questions? Anything on Zoom? All right. For our closing remarks, I do want to just remind you all that our first General Assembly meeting of the fall semester will be held on August 23rd, 2022, in person and through Zoom for those who are unable to attend in person. The meetings will be held on a weekly basis from every Tuesday at 11:30 a.m. To schedule agenda time during these meetings, a completed request form must be submitted on Get Involved by noon on Wednesday, August 17th, 2022. Online forms are available on Get Involved or going to our website, www.uhcl.edu/SGA. The link is here as well as the QR code if you are interested in doing that. Thank you for attending our third General Assembly meeting of the summer. The quote of the day is "Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality" by Warren G. Bennis. All right, y'all, there's no questions. Meeting is adjourned.
Please follow us.
Please follow us on social media. Our social media is here on the top right corner, as well as the QR code to our Instagram. Thank y'all.
Thank you.